there's always that battle between pump E85 and barrel fuel like Ignite, VP, and I'm not bashing any of the brands. As you all know, for the people that have to do it, it's very expensive. You're talking pump E85 being anywhere from $1.70 to $2 something a gallon. But then when you look at the transportation costs and barreling and all of that, when you're talking about race ethanol, so to say, which is basically the same thing as the pump minus some of the ingredients, you're talking anywhere from $4 to $11+ a gallon, which is very expensive when you're looking at daily drive in your vehicle like I do. Now, going to the track and you think 5, 10, 20 more horsepower is worth it, then by all means look at Ignite and those other brands. But I'm going to do a quick video on, and I'm going to Wichita Dyno right now. My car's already there. It's got one of those ones that plug into your hub, so you'll have video footage. But I am going to test pump E85 from Jumpstart gas station and compare it to some of the race ethanols out there and look at performance. I already know Ignite and those other ones, you can back down timing, get a little more power. But overall, I want to see what it is in comparison. How much? Because if you're talking 20, 30 gallons,
in 1/4 mile,
that's no different than saying
KS 96 West.
That's no different than making the decision, do I add headers to add X amount of horsepower or a cam just because it sounds good, but horsepower, is it worth the extra
Turn right
cost?
Onto KS 96
so we'll look at
West.
that, and we'll give you some feedback, and you're going to see every step of the way, and we'll go from there. But again, Jumpstart gas station, just so you guys know, is 82-83% year-round, and there's several here in Wichita, Kansas, which is amazing. And there is a Ford Mustang driving in the snow right next to me. That's been souped up. That's just crazy. But anyhow, it's 18 degrees, so we'll see how things go. It'll definitely be loud. My speaker in the GoPro isn't perfect. It's just the stock one. So bear with me, and you'll definitely want headphones when we start doing some dynos and give you some numbers. Stay tuned. Just to give you an idea of the weather that we're dealing with today, and we're almost to Wichita Dyno, which is where the car's at, and 3 test fuels. We'll start as soon as I get there, and we'll video the whole thing. Keep you posted. All right, as you can see, there's a bright orange Hellcat. We are now at Wichita Dyno. Time to let this thing rip and get started.
This guy was so happy with getting E85 in Clearwater. He goes down there to Arizona with the E85 too. Oh wow. He's a strong.
There's fast sidewalk.
Huh?
Fast sidewalk.
Where's
There's
that?
a water pipe just between the throttle and the inside.
I think they were working real late.
About to run in transit.
turn it on, you should be about 44 to 45. If you're E0, it should read 50. And if you overfill, then it'll be a little high. So we're at about, I see you subtract 50, so we're about 82.75.
Beautiful. I need to get one of those.
We're E82.75, so you're almost the 80.
Yeah, 82. We're good. 83. Yeah.
Ready for the reload, Chris.
Draining the fuel out. Now we're going to switch over to a different fuel.
The cooling effect of ethanol.
That way you switch the fuels and you get fresh fuel right in, so you don't have any possibility of switching. Note that we took out the ABS fuse for dynoing. So now we're just draining the fuel. We'll put the new one in. Run another test. This will be the fourth fuel.
Density, RPP, we're all.
So there's your two on top of each other. Now there's almost 12 horsepower difference right there. It's 20, about 20, almost 18.
And plus no knock.
There's
so.
20.
Yep,
At 5,000.
just kind of fell off on the very peak.
That'd be more of a tune thing, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Down.
Mm-hmm.
Well, like I said, plus the engine was hot soaked. And the fuel curve was a little richer on that run. And that's probably why it lost a little bit of power. Because the richer fuel mixture will definitely fill it.
Well, yeah, because that lidded, wouldn't that make it a little richer?
Yeah, because it's got more gas,
Right, right.
I would think. So,
There might
Tit
be a
for
little
tat.
power, a little bit of power in it.
Not bad.
I'm a ranger, your name's danger. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.